Did you know I've been making thousands of dollars trading meme coins in the last month? But with my new meme coin trading strategy that I'm sure that you've never heard of, it's been super profitable. In 2026, I'm expecting this strategy to be my most profitable meme coin trading strategy I've ever used. Make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to be showing you a strategy that I am sure nobody has ever showed you. Smash a like and subscribe to learn more about this strategy. We will actually need two websites for this strategy. We will begin here with CoinMarketCap because this is how we're going to be able to find meme coins to be traded. And then we're going to need a centralized crypto exchange. Here I'm using WEEX. They're my favorite crypto trading exchange. If you use the link in the video description, you actually get $100 for free for signing up using your mobile and email, and over $30,000 in potential bonuses as you trade. You will need a centralized exchange for today's video, so you can check out WEEX in this video description. Now, first, I will head over to CoinMarketCap, and here what we're using CoinMarketCap for is to be able to initially find some top trending meme coins that are being listed on centralized exchanges. And I'm going to show you later on in the video exactly how to take advantage of that. So here you can come over to CoinMarketCap, just their complete fresh homepage. And then right at the top, we can see trending, prediction markets, most viewed. I'm going to click on new. What I now am looking for is the newly listed or newly added coins into the crypto market. And we can now see there is a list of coins. We've got GTETH, OMD blockchain, Codex Field, WorldBrain, AI Avatar 2026. Now, the first thing that we need to look for and find is a meme coin that has been newly listed. So none of these coins originally are meme coins. The first meme coin that we do see is 2026. And this was very recently added. You can actually see if we come over to this right-hand side, don't actually have it available. It was actually listed 3 days ago. So what we're now finding is newly listed meme coins using CoinMarketCap. Now what we want to do is actually search for this specific meme coin on our centralized exchange. So when we come over to WEEX and we type in 2026, like we can see in the top left-hand side, this is the chart for 2026. As I mentioned, it actually listed 3 days ago. It's really hard to see. Can't actually extend this chart out anymore for you to be able to view that. But you can actually come here and view for yourself. This is 3 days old. When we come over to the chart here, we can see this is the 3rd of January. We go back 3 days, and this was the initial listing. So it also lines up with CoinMarketCap. But the most important part of this strategy is what we're seeing is we do initially have some upside momentum. Once this new meme coin does get listed on an exchange, we're seeing some small waves to the upside. But what's most important is that when a meme coin is listed on a centralized exchange, there's one major factor that a lot of people don't understand. This is the first time the meme coin is available to short, because all of these meme coins on Axiom or any of your favorite meme coin trading platforms, you're not able to short this coin. You're only able to buy into the coin. And then when you believe it's gone up high enough or down low enough, you then sell out of the coin. So you can only benefit from the price going up. Price goes up, you sell, you make money. But on a centralized exchange, you can make money from buying the coin and price going up, but you can also make money from shorting the coin at these high prices. And when price goes down, you make money when price is in that decline. So why this strategy is so profitable and so useful is because the first time these meme coins get listed on these centralized exchanges, we can take advantage of being able to short for the first time. A lot of new traders, a lot of traders that haven't been in the market for a long time will see being listed on a centralized exchange as, oh, wow, well, new money can now enter. A lot of people that couldn't enter into meme coins before can now buy in. They can actually use leverage to push the price up. But what they fail to understand is any trader that wanted to buy 2026 could have done so on these decentralized exchanges. They didn't need to use WEEX or any of these centralized exchanges to buy. They could have done so on Axiom or any of your trading platforms for meme coins. But instead, when they're listed now on centralized exchanges, this is the opportunity to look for any pumps to the upside, take your short, and look at how prices decline from the all-time high to current price. It's down nearly 92%. That's a huge decline. And if you're able to spot these meme coin launches, you're able to make extreme amounts of money. And how you're able to do so is by shorting, and by shorting on an exchange like WEEX. So if I did want to short, I'd actually come down on this left-hand side. I'd be looking for a market order, and I'd actually be able to look to sell and actually take a short position rather than only being able to profit from price going up like the traditional meme coin trading platform. So these top two coins actually launched just a couple of hours ago. So if we keep this page open and we were to refresh it, we would be seeing all of the latest coins launching. So as soon as 2026 launch, we actually basically had nearly 12 hours to basically take advantage of this opportunity to the short side. So keeping on this page and updating it is the best way to see all of the new launches. These two actually launched just in the last couple of hours, and 2026 was just a couple of days ago. You can also use CoinMarketCap. They have their upcoming page. So here we can come over to upcoming on coinmarketcap.com/upcoming. And here we can also see all of the upcoming coins. Now, this isn't the most useful way. Here we can see one meme coin, Ducky, might be one or two more, but it also doesn't say exactly when the launch will be. So the best way is to wait on this newly added section and see when a meme coin has launched. What you also can do is come to the market section of WEEX. On this right-hand side, there is the listings, and these are all of the newly listed meme coins that are on WEEX. So we can scroll down, and these literally just launched. We can see a couple of these are on this list from CoinMarketCap. Here we have AI Avatar, Codex Field, and these both have launched on WEEX, but these aren't meme coins. That's why we do want to take advantage of meme coins. Here we can see it looks like this one is a meme coin. Rock is a meme coin. Best way to even double check would be to say, come over to Axiom and actually type in the meme coin in the search field, confirm that it is a meme coin, and then be able to come back and actually take advantage of it on Axiom. So this is really my new meme coin trading strategy that I'm using in 2026. I'm still trading normally using Axiom and other exchanges, but this is another way to take advantage of meme coins, especially when I don't believe that specific meme coin does have a strong narrative to the future. So this strategy works really, really well. Don't forget to use the links in the video description. You'll get free access to WEEX, and you actually get a massive discount on all of your trading fees. Smash the like and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.